This is the handlebar assembly of 1968 model Lambretta scooter. Let us see how to open the top cover. For opening, lot of rust is here from this. Actually, if it is with full of rust, when you open them, they won't come out due to rust. These two. In order to separate the handlebar top cover, you have to remove these two screws. For this, very simple. This is the screwdriver, long screwdriver. Before doing this, you must apply rust lick and give hits on this and on this. Open this. See, this is with full of rust. Okay, one is out. Second one. See, it is with full of rust. It's open. This is the top cover. Along with the top cover, this is for city lamp and this is the speedometer. Speedometer is secured to the top cover with these three screws, 1, 2 and 3. And this is the headlamp where the mirror comes here, and this is the ring for securing the headlamp assembly to this unit. Now let us come to this part. What are all the things it is containing? For applying clutch and shifting the gear, it is fully jammed, and these are the cables. This is the cable for operation, clutch cable. This is for clutch cable, and this is gear shifting pulley, and there will be two wires here. Actually, earlier I gave a cut in order to remove them. Why? Because they were fully rusted. And this is one. And this is. And second one. And these pulleys are secured. These are the original pulleys. You will not get such type of quality as of now. Why? Because I tried and I have the old pulleys with me. And this is the pin. In order to remove the pulley from this shaft, you have to remove this. For removing this, you have to hit from here. We will see it later on. And this is the accelerator pulley, and this is totally jammed, not at all movable. And these shafts are secured bolts. And this is the distribution panel, and this is the wiring kit, the combined switch. This is for operating clutch button, and this is the key, and this is the clamp securing to the fork to make this out and this out. Actually, this will be separated, and you can open this in order to remove this. When you remove these two small bolts, and when you remove this pin, quarter pin, securing pin, you can remove the pulleys. You can remove pulleys from here and from here. Once these two out, pull these grips outside. Here it is written 1, neutral, 2nd, 3rd and 4th. And this is almost 50 years old fork. We will see later on what are all the parts it containing. The important point in fork is, let it be big hit or accident or maybe anything, the fork should not to be broken into two pieces. Either it can bend, that must be the property of the fork material. This is very most important in the fork material. So here it is full of jam. That's all. This the small point to be noted. This ring is perished. That's why we need not to open these two in order to remove the lash, pull the ring from this top cover. If you watch the original piece, here it is written innocently. There is a hole here like this, and here this one, and bottom also here. That bottom screw will be secured here. You have to remove this also. After removing all three screws, you can pull out the headlamp assembly from the handlebar unit. In this case, there is no existence of lower one, this one. So we directly pulled it. That's all. I hope it is useful. We will meet again.